Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today I will compare two OLED TV in this video. So let's go, now enjoy this video. Firstly, we start display. Display type OLED. Panel type WOLED. Screen size 65-inch USA, 55-65-inch Europe and 55-65-77-inch USA, Europe. Display resolution 4K. Refresh rate 144 Hz and 120 Hz. Brightness 1495 nits and 1000 nits. Display colors 1070 million. Pixel density 68 ppi and 57 ppi. Color bit 10 bit. Response time 3.0 millisecond and 12.6 millisecond. Contrast ratio 6000:1. Video processor HCX Pro AI Make 2 and XR processor. HDMI variable refresh rate, yes. FreeSync G-Sync, yes and no. Consumer electronic control, yes. Auto low latency mode, yes. Anti-reflection coating, yes. Ambient light sensor, yes. High frame rate 4K 144 HDR10 and DV and 4K 120 Dolby Vision. HDR formats HDR10, HDR10 Plus Adaptive, Hybrid Long Gamma, Dolby Vision IQ and HDR10 Hybrid Long Gamma, Dolby Vision. Part 2 Connectivity. HDMI version HDMI 2.1. Number of HDMI 4. USB ports 3 into USB A and 2 into USB A. Wi-Fi 5 802.11 AC and Wi-Fi 6 802.11 AX. Bluetooth 5.2 and 5.3. RJ45 ports 1. Part 3 Features. TV platform Fire TV and Google TV. Version at launch 12.0. OS updates, yes. AirPlay, yes. Chromecast, no and yes. HomeKit, yes. Voice assistants Alexa and Google Assistant Alexa. Search browser Amazon Prime Video, Apple TV app, Disney Plus, HBO Max, Hulu, Netflix, YouTube. Part 4 Audio. Speakers 5.1.2 160 watt 360 Sound Space Pro and 50 watt 2.1 Acoustic Surface Audio Plus. HDMI ARC and EARC, yes. Dolby Atmos, yes. Dolby Digital Plus, yes. Dolby AC3 AC4, yes. Detach X, no and yes. Detach HD, no and yes. Stereo speakers, yes. Subwoofer, yes. Part 5 Design. Dimensions 144.8 into 88.8 into 6.9 cm and 48.1 into 27.8 into 1.5 inch. Weight 30.5 kg and 34 kg. Wall mount 300 into 300 mm and 200 into 200 mm. Special features: Dolby Atmos sound system, swayable stand, subwoofer connection, true game mode, and PS5 features, game menu and eco dashboard, IMAX enhance. Tuners: ATAS 3.0 USA, DVB T2 S2 C Europe. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.